Hi, it's Jennifer. I'm back with another video with my trusty helper here. I have another activity with Easter eggs. What I did is I took the Easter eggs and I wrote the capital letter on the top and the lowercase letter on the bottom so that we could get some matching in there. We could take these eggs like this, mix them up and match them that way. I could make it easier by putting capital letter on the top and capital letter on the bottom, or I can make it harder by putting capital letter on top with a different color, lowercase letter on the bottom, so she's not just matching color to color. There you go. Working on those fine motor skills, bilateral skills. She's also working on directionality. I don't know that you can see it, but she is matching the uppercase letter on top to the lowercase on the bottom. So she's getting some of those rotational skills in so that they match up that way. Good job. We can work on counting. We could work on color matching. We could work on making the alphabet from A through Z. I brought perfect. I have an egg carton here, and inside the egg carton I have my name written out, Jennifer, and she is going to find the letters and match them. We're going to work on matching them in order, and if I feel like she's working on frustration tolerance, she's working on visual scanning, she's working on some visual perceptual skills as well. And if I feel like it is too frustrating, I can take some out that are not relevant so that it is not taking so long for her and that she's not going to get frustrated and have success with this story. So I really like the idea that we can work on spelling words, we can work on her name recognition. Matching letters comes before identifying letters, so we don't even need her to name the letters. Can you find this letter next so that we can go in order? We'll save that one right here so that we know it's there when we're ready for it, okay? I like that she is working on completion of task. If she needs to ask for help, I am here for you. So did you find it? No. Let's see.
They filled the R.
Oh, okay. Oh, you found that one. We're just still looking for that one letter. It's eluding us, huh?
It's like trouble. It's giving us trouble.
It is giving us trouble.
Maybe.
Oh, I found it. It's yellow. There it is.
It's just wiping off.
It is wiping off, so it's hard to see. I'll do the next one, okay? I'm going to use this one right here. Can you find this letter?
Yeah, I can.
So we can do some turn taking in there so that she continues to find success. Did we take it out? Oh, you found it. What color is it?
Orange.
Orange.
F.
Oh, you remembered.
E. And R.
There you go. There is our task completely finished. And now, without even being asked, she is going to clean up. Thank you for doing that without being asked. The other thing I wanted to point out is that when we do write our name, I really like the idea of practicing correctly so that the uppercase letter is the first letter and the lowercase letters are the rest. It's difficult for some of our kids to switch over from all uppercase to the uppercase lowercase. So I hope you enjoyed this activity. Have fun, stay safe, and wash your hands.